Nature never stops sounding the alarm. But few things sound more like prophecies of the end of the world than war. In the central geographical region of the apocalypse, see now some of the main signs of the end times, reported just this week in the Bulletin Signs of the End. Destruction and death in the United States. With over 200 dead, Hurricane Helene becomes the deadliest and most destructive hurricane in the country in recent years, causing flooding and leaving thousands homeless. Tragedy also struck Taiwan. 2 people died and more than 200 were injured by the passage of a typhoon. Heavy rains and strong winds forced the island to close. Meanwhile, in Brazil, the drought is worsening and threatening the electricity supply. With little water in the Xingu River, the Belo Monte hydroelectric plant is operating with only 2 of its 18 turbines. Danger in Rwanda. Outbreak of the Marburg virus, one of the world's deadliest, puts who on alert. The disease, which has no treatment or vaccine, can spread rapidly and has already killed more than 10 people in the country. And the escalation of the war in the Middle East dominated the main news throughout the week. Unexpected attacks, missiles, and bombings involve Israel, Iran, and Lebanon, and the conflict is far from over. Other countries may enter the war, and it becomes very difficult to predict what will happen next. Humanity watches apprehensively, and experts warn that the world is drawing ever closer to World War III. You have only witnessed some of the events that have dominated the newspapers this week, all pointing to signs that the final hour is approaching. Be prepared.